Welcome to this week's edition of In Retrospect, where every Friday we try to make sense of what's happening in the world and how it impacts the financial markets. This week we will focus on the tug-of-war between those who believe that inflation is about to make a comeback and those who don't think so. We will also focus on the vaccine rollout and the impact it is having on the confidence of investors. But before we start, just a quick reminder to subscribe to our channel, where you can find many helpful and informative videos. Speaking in front of a Congress committee on Wednesday, Jerome Powell, the chairman of the Fed, talked down any fears of inflation. Powell delivered a very dovish message and reiterated the central bank's commitment to maintain low interest rates and a large asset purchase program for the foreseeable future. Powell said the central bank won't change its extremely accommodative policies until the American economy is on a clear path to recovery, the labor market in particular, and would therefore look through any near-term spikes in inflation. Recently, the markets had started to price in the impact of inflationary pressure that the combination of accommodative, monetary and fiscal policies was likely to have. Bond yields started to rise as investors, fearing inflation, looked to sell their low-rent titles. Confidence in the stock market was also affected as those predicting the return of inflation and higher fixed income yields started to close position and cashing in on the boon of the last 12 months. However, Jerome Powell poured cold water over these expectations when he said that the Fed will not be changing its current stance anytime soon. The immediate impact of these declarations was dollar weakness, which looks set to continue as the Fed doesn't appear to be ready to blink yet. Another interesting story this week has been the performance of the British pound. Sterling is one of the assets that benefited the most from the successful rolling out of the vaccination program in the UK, with many now seeing the country in the pole position for the economic recovery that will happen in the aftermath of the pandemic. As a result, the demand for UK assets increased and set the pound on a winning streak versus other major currencies, gaining more than 3% so far this year versus both the dollar and the euro. Free from the shackles of Brexit and well positioned to start the economic recovery ahead of its peers, the future right now looks bright for the UK and for the pound too. Okay, this is all for today. I will be back next week with more views on current affairs and the financial markets. In the meantime, you can go to activetrades.eu or activetrades.com, depending on where you are, for more market analysis. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the like button. Thank you very much for watching.